was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run.
Iya ya. Iya. Ya. Iya. Iya. Sis.
Pela-pela.
Oke, terima kasih juragan.
Pela-pela.
Just let me in. Ooh. She knew she was hypnotized and walking on cold thin ice. Then it broke and she awoke again.